Namaskar. Welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places was observed over the Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and Karaikal, and heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places was observed over the Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala and Mahe, and heavy rainfall was also reported at isolated places over Odisha. Here are some significant amount of rainfall are given which was observed yesterday. Like Tamil Nadu reported the highest of 18 centimeter rainfall in Tuticorin, 17 centimeter rainfall in Kudalur. Rayalaseema reported highest of 16 centimeter rainfall. Kerala reported highest of 12 centimeter rainfall. Odisha reported maximum 8 centimeter rainfall. And coastal Andhra Pradesh reported maximum 12 centimeter rainfall. Today, the low pressure area lies over the Sri Lanka off Tamil Nadu coast, and this low pressure area is very likely to move very slowly nearly westwards during next 3 to 4 days. And in this satellite picture we can see there is moderate intense to very intense convection over southeast Arabian Sea of Kerala coast and Lakshadweep area, and moderate to intense convection over many parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, over some parts of coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, South Interior Karnataka, and light to moderate convection over Telangana, North Interior Karnataka, and extreme north Jammu and Kashmir region, and Andaman Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep area. If we see the weather forecast and warning for next 5 days, then because of this low pressure area over Sri Lanka off Tamil Nadu coast and its likely movement of nearly westwards, there will be the light to moderate rainfall with isolated thunderstorm and lightning, and light to moderate rainfall at most places over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, and South Interior Karnataka, Lakshadweep area, and coastal Karnataka during next 5 days. There also will be the isolated extremely heavy rainfall with heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places over South Tamil Nadu on 30th October and 31st of October, and heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Tamil Nadu on 1st of November, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over South Tamil Nadu on 2nd and 3rd of November. There also will be the heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places with light to moderate rain at most places and isolated thunderstorm and lightning over particularly over the South Kerala during next 4 days, that is till of 2nd of November, and heavy rainfall on 3rd of November. There also will be the isolated heavy rainfall over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema during next 5 days, and over the South Interior Karnataka during 31st of October to 3rd of November. And there also will be the light rain at isolated places over the Goa region and South Konkan, Madhya Maharashtra, South Madhya Maharashtra region during next 3 to 4 days. And except this, there will not be any significant weather over the remaining part of the country. However, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at one or two places over the Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh on 1st of November, and over the Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura on 30th October and 31st of October, and over the Odisha and South Chhattisgarh and Telangana region during 1st of November to 3rd of November. You can download the Mosam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app for location specific forecast, lightning alert, and agro advisory services. You can also follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter page, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information in your area. Thank you.